Hello, 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 and welcome to Money Sprinkles. My name is Leslie, and I am here to help you in your personal credit journey or your business credit journey. Okay. Basically, if you haven't done it yet, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it so I can keep making these wonderful videos for you. Today's video is going to be about Navy Federal Credit Union and proven hacks that have worked. I have three, okay, and I'm going to discuss those towards the end of the video. Before I get started, though, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about the Navy Federal Credit Union credit card that is that's not spoken about too much, and it's the More Rewards American Express credit card. Okay, this credit card is currently earning 20,000 bonus points when you spend $2,000 within 90 days. That is an amazing bonus point. Um, of course, data points it pulls from your TransUnion. And it could go up to $50,000. This one credit card, $50,000. Those are high credit limit Navy Federal Credit Union credit cards. Okay, it's the second best after the flagship. Um, 20,000 bonus points. Like I said, if you can't spend $2,000 within 90 days, something's definitely wrong with you. But no, for real, for real, for real. The trick around it is pay your bills with this credit card, then turn around and pay off your credit card with your bill money. And what happens is you earn the 20,000 bonus points, you've paid your bills, and you have a zero balance credit card. Okay, that's it. That's all you got to do, and you earn your 20,000 bonus points. Okay, all within 90 days. Another thing is it's no balance transfer fees. They currently have it's an amazing credit card. Like I said, no annual fees, no balance transfer fees, no foreign transaction fees, no cash advance fees. Now the best thing is this card has actually won awards because of its rewards program. It is probably one of the best rewards programs out there with 3x at restaurants and food delivery, 3x on supermarkets, 3x on gas in transit, and 1x on everything else. Did you catch what I just said? Not just restaurants, on food delivery, your Uber, DoorDash, all of that. All of that is included, okay? So definitely this is a credit card that is slept on. And as I stated, it's a best rewards credit card. The actual rewards do not expire. So it is an awesome credit card to have. If you don't have one, you should definitely put one on the back of your mind as one of the credit cards to apply for when you start applying for Navy Federal Credit Union, or after you learn from my hacks that I'm about to talk to you about. Okay. Um, Again, if you do not have an not an annual membership, if you're not a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union and you see that little button that says pre-qualify me, that only applies if you are a member. You cannot pre-qualify if you're not a member, because the minute you press that pre-qualify button, it's automatically right here. This is going to automatically take you to your membership information. Okay, so it's not just like a pre-qual as in like open pre-qual for anybody. Okay, it's only really for members. Okay, so I hope this helps, and this is one of the credit cards that I wanted you to be aware of before we talk about these Navy Federal hacks that definitely work. Um, so I'll be right back. Hi, I am back, just like I told you. If you haven't taken the time yet to like and subscribe to my channel, please, I ask you to do that at this time. Um, I did forget to mention that my name was Leslie and I am Money Sprinkles. This channel is all about personal credit and business credit. And if you are currently on that journey and you care to educate yourself on business credit and personal credit, you are in the right channel. Okay. Without further ado, as I stated earlier, I'm going to give you three hacks that have been proven to work with the Navy Federal Credit Union when it comes to these high credit limit credit cards. Okay, let's start off with the first one. Everybody knows if you do not have a Navy Federal Credit Union credit card, the best time to do it is 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. You definitely bypass the underwriting. You have a better chance of getting approved. So no matter if you're on the East Coast, West Coast, just 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. that would be the best time to apply for your new Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. Okay. Hack number 2, if you have a business credit card, okay, and as we all know, business credit cards, as long as you have one that does not report to your personal credit, for instance, Capital One reports to your personal side, and I can't remember the other one at this time. But anyway, um, if you have a business credit card that does not report to your personal side, for instance, the Chase Inc. does not report, and you have a $20,000 credit limit, you can remove about $10,000 from your credit card, balance transfer checks. Um, I have a video on that. Check it out. Or go ahead and look into it. It's a balance transfer check, and what you do is you just write your name as if it was a regular check, and you write it out to yourself, and you deposit it into your account. But what you're going to do is you're going to deposit it into your Navy Federal Credit Union checking account or your savings account. Do 5,000 and 5,000 if you can. What this does is, first of all, you don't have a raised utilization on your personal side credit card, but it's on your business side, and that does not report. So who cares, right? So keep them, you still owe the $10,000, okay? But what you're going to do is you are going to increase your chances of Navy Federal Credit Union seeing that you are a responsible person and that you are able to maintain a high balance in your checking and your savings account. So they're going to look at that like, wow, what do banks need? Banks need money so they can loan money. So they like to see that you are making these large deposits into their accounts. So once you do that, let it sit in your account for about 30 days. Don't forget to pay your business credit card minimum payment. And after the 30 days, go ahead and apply for your first credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union. At this time, because you have maintained that high balance on your credit, on your checking and on your savings account, you will get a higher credit limit credit card. Okay. That was hack number 2. Okay. Hack number 3, get another high credit limit credit card elsewhere. Get the easy ones: furniture stores, Synchrony, Care Credit, Apple. Uh, who else? I can't think of anything else off the top. Okay. Those are simple to get. Those are high credit limits. Once your high credit limit is posted to your credit report, let it cycle through maybe 30, 60 days, showing that you actually have a high credit limit. Then you go on ahead and apply for a credit card at Navy Federal Credit Union. And this time you will have a high credit limit credit card from Navy Federal. Let that one simmer for 30, 60, 90 days, your choice. You'll apply for the second credit card from Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay. You could have reduced the funds. You could have added more money. You could play around with it. But the thing is that you keep that money into that checking account and into that savings account while you're applying for these credit cards, and you have received all 3 of the max credit cards on the personal side for Navy Federal Credit Union. Then you're free to remove the funds out and pay off your credit card on the business side. But you have always been paying your minimum payment on your business card because you don't want that to be turned off. Okay? Again, those are the 3 hacks for the Navy Federal Credit Union. Let me know if any of those work for you. I have heard of many working for lots of other folks. I have actually seen it. So if it works for you, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessed day.